Your body talks every day. Most of us just don't listen. We chase shortcuts, trends, hacks, but your body already knows what to do. It just needs the right fuel. So let's slow down and look at 5 foods that quietly repair 5 systems you rely on every second you're alive. Because when you know what food does inside you, eating becomes power, not pressure. The heart, avocado. Your heart never clocks out. Avocado gives it flexible cell walls, steady blood flow, and the fats that keep arteries smooth instead of sticky. Every slice is quiet maintenance, not hype, just repair. The brain, blueberries. Your thoughts are electric sparks firing nonstop. Blueberries protect the wiring, guarding neurons from stress, so memory stays sharper and thinking feels clearer. Better brain days start with better brain fuel. The gut, broccoli. Your gut builds immunity and mood chemicals. Broccoli feeds the lining that keeps everything balanced, reducing inflammation and helping digestion send "you're safe" signals through your whole system. A calmer gut is a calmer life. The muscles and eggs. Muscle isn't just strength. It's metabolism, hormones, recovery. Eggs bring complete protein plus the cofactors to use it, so daily wear and tear becomes repair, not breakdown. You don't need more pain, just better building blocks. The joints, salmon. Joints carry your choices. Every step, rep, and reason to move. Salmon delivers omega-3s that calm inflammation and keep motion smoother, so movement stays possible instead of painful. These foods don't work alone. They work like a system. Heart, brain, gut, muscle, joints. The places we feel and the places we forget. What you eat today shapes how you think, move, and age. Long before the mirror notices, your body doesn't need perfection. It needs consistency, small choices that compound quietly, until one day you feel different. If you want shortcuts, they already exist. They're called habits. Feed your body fuel it recognizes, fuel that rebuilds you instead of drains you, fuel that gives back more than it takes. Follow Health Drip, because we don't chase trends, we listen to biology.